Results with Air Crisp on the Ninja Woodfire? Here's how to use it right. Air Crisp is one of the most popular modes on the Ninja Woodfire, but using it wrong can leave your meat dry, soggy, or unevenly cooked. Here's how to get it just right. Step 1. Use cuts that benefit from crisping. Air Crisp works best on chicken wings, thighs, drumsticks, pork belly, or breaded meats. Avoid thick roasts or anything you'd normally slow cook. Step 2. Preheat fully before adding food. Always wait for the add food prompt. This gives you the high blast of air needed to crisp the outside fast without drying out the inside. Step 3. Lightly coat meat with oil, not too much. A thin layer helps browning. Too much oil makes the food greasy instead of crispy. You can spray or toss, but skip heavy marinades during cooking. Step 4. Leave space between pieces. Crowding traps steam. Spread meat out so the air can circulate, especially if you're cooking wings or anything breaded. Step 5. Flip halfway for even results. The top gets more direct heat. Flipping helps balance the texture and prevents burning. If this helped you crisp it right, subscribe to No Filler Fixes for more fast appliance guides. And if you want cleaner flips and fewer burned fingertips, we've linked a set of stainless steel tongs in the description. Great for handling hot food safely while grilling or air crisping. Thanks for watching and crisp clean.